Hey girlies, it's Augusta. If you've been looking for some cute elevated outfits that you could wear either in the day if you want to elevate and mix and match these pieces, or on a girls' night out in the evening for something a bit more fun, something out of the norm and not just a basic piece, then this is the video for you. I've just done a haul from Cider and I've actually never shopped there before, but I am very happy with my purchases. Everything fit perfectly, so let's get straight into the haul. The first outfit I'm going to show you guys today is actually the one I'm wearing. So first off, we have this beautiful top. As you can see, it is definitely out of the norm. It's this two-piece. I've been seeing this style a lot where it has kind of a sort of cardigan vibe over the top, but they're actually attached. So we've got this beautiful lace high neck detailing to the flared long sleeve on both sides. It's really comfy. The flares aren't too long, so they won't get in your way, bearing in mind I'm only 5'4". You shouldn't be struggling unless you have quite short arms. I don't like it when you have flare sleeves and they get in the way, and if we're going for dinner, it's just difficult. But these, super easy to do things in. And then you've got the solid bodice of the top, just a classic brown tank, taking a classic brown tank and elevating a bit. I really like what they've done. It's really comfy and breathable. I'll show you from the back. It's form-fitting once again. High neck. We don't have the cutout in the back. We actually just have a full lace back, which is even more fun. It adds another fun detail, and I just think it makes it different to if it was just the tank top in the back, and all the way it wraps around the front. If you saw my last party dress haul, you'll actually know that I have a dress that is very similar to this top, and it's definitely reminding me of that. So check out that haul. I'll link it below, as well as all my other hauls, if you want to see more fun stuff like this. Further away, you can see that it's nice and form-fitting, really cinching in at the waist. It's not too baggy on the waist, which is something I find very annoying about a lot of tops I wear. I paired it with this gorgeous leather brown skirt, and I actually wore this exact outfit on a night out 2 weeks ago as soon as it arrived, and I loved it. It's super comfy. It's got built-in shorts, which is so nice. You don't have to worry since it's quite short. I got a size small instead of an extra small, and I think that was the right shout because it's not too tight. I know leather can be quite sticky and unbreathable if you get a small size. So if you want to get the skirt, I'd advise sizing up. I love the leather buckle detailing. I just think it's such a cool touch, and it just makes it add that really cool elevated style. You could definitely pair this with tights and boots, or some like black shoes and tights, and wear this with loafers or with knee-high boots. That would be really cute, and no tights. And you could style this up or down. The skirt is kind of just perfect. It's a bit nicer than just a plain black skirt, but it goes with pretty much all the same things. It is completely plain, and it just zips up the back right here, so it's really easy to put on. The top sits perfectly, almost at the waist height of the skirt. It's almost mid to high rise, but I decided to tuck the top in slightly since it's tighter than the skirt. But honestly, it's a really nice outfit together. I think this outfit is one of my faves of this haul. I paired it with some red slip-on heels, but honestly, I could wear this with some little boots, anything, in the day with like a little jacket and tights. I think that would be so cute if I wanted to dress it down, or for a night out as I wore it like this with these shoes. The next top in this haul is, I think, one of my favorites from this haul, but I'm also really excited for the next one, so stay tuned for that. I think it's so cool, this style of neck that the top has. They both have fun necks, actually, this one and the previous top, but it's definitely in trend. It's a plain matte material because I think it has a lot going on. I don't think it needs a material kind of element to elevate the top. Right here, we've got this scarf detailing with the cowl neck. So the strap kind of pulls all the way around in a loop. Kind of reminds me like of an ocean wave. It's really form-fitting still, but then not too form-fitting at the top. So it's quite nice if you want something that's not too revealing on the chest area, but it's still form-fitting underneath. It's so chic and elegant, and I look so elevated. I think it's just the neck that gives the really elevated vibe. And right here, one of my favorite elements is this popper. You've got a popper right here, so you can just easily clip the neck on and you don't have to worry about this scarf element kind of getting in the way or being annoying if you're out and about and walking. And I just love how it fits. It's super comfy. I've really been loving light blue at the moment. I've been doing so many light blue makeup looks on my TikTok. I feel like it's been inspired by Zara Larsson. I even posted a longer tutorial on here, which I'll also link for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this content as well and like this video, because I'm going to be doing lots more hauls for you guys because you seem to be loving them the most. I paired it with this plain white skirt from Zara as well, but I love how it has this asymmetrical line. So it's not just asymmetrical on the top, it is on the bottom too. And it's got the longer bit in this way and this way, so it kind of draws out your torso, making you look more elegant. It's kind of smart how they did that. And I just feel like this piece is so different. I've seen elements like this neckline or an asymmetrical waistline before, but I've never seen this top or anything like this. I feel like it's a very unique piece. From the back, it's a bit more simple. Obviously we have the scarf element draping over the edge, which is the main part, and then just the nice cut from the back, the asymmetrical line again, really nice and flattering over the top and sits really nicely on my skirt. I love blue and white together, and I think this is perfect since we're going into spring, summer vibes. This is just such a nice way to bring color into your outfit. Let's move on to the final piece of clothing in this haul. You know that feeling when your makeup, inspo, or the idea you have in your head or tutorial you're following looks incredible, but when you finish your makeup look, it just doesn't look the same as the aesthetic that you were aiming for? Or when you see flawless people online with insane makeup and you just can't create the whole image that they have. Even when you're using the exact same products and routine or following their tutorial, I've got the solution to this issue. I've actually been using Glam for a few months now to do my makeup. It takes less than 30 seconds to upload a selfie, put in your features manually. It will generate your ideal products and makeup routine tailored to your individual features, and it also has a color analysis as a bonus, and those cost hundreds of pounds. It's honestly changed and transformed how my makeup looks. It not only gives you your ideal products based on your own features, budget, style and preferences, it also tells you exactly how to use them in a super aesthetic, pink girly and user friendly, easy to use, all levels friendly way. I built it myself for you guys as someone who thinks that makeup should be way less complicated, and I really just wanted to help everyone out there. It's honestly going to save you so much in buying makeup products that you just see advertised online that aren't actually ideal for your face and your features. What I love most is its truly personalized experience and how it tailors everything to your own face, because no two faces are the same. I've seen so many people start using it and they're raving about it too, so don't miss out on Glam. It's one of those products that just helps you feel more put together and more confident in your ideal self, and that confidence will truly shine through. So if you've been looking for a product that actually delivers results, check out Glam. I'll link it in the description for you, also on my link tree in my profile, so you can check it out at any time. But honestly, if you want to look better than ever, check out Glam. But let's get back to the video. Last but not least, I actually really love this piece because I think it's such a staple in your closet, but it's not so basic. It has some nice detailing on it. So we've got this gorgeous black off the shoulder top. It's got this really cool detailing right here and this nice like buckle, and because I'm a gold jewelry girly, this is perfect. I'd pair it with a beautiful gold necklace, but I just wanted to show off the top without too much jewelry in the way. But I do think you could either go an open bodice with some highlighter on your shoulders and collarbone, or you could just put a nice little necklace with your initial on it or something cute like that. It's got this lovely built-in padding, which is so nice. You don't have to worry about having like a stick-on or strapless bra, which is often annoying. It's really comfy, breathable material, nice and shiny and reflective, and the seams look very high quality. I love how it's got this kind of cool cinched in detailing right here, and then it skirts out at the bottom. To see the full top, you can see how it really cinches you in. It gives you that hourglass figure. It would be so nice with a pair of black trousers or black flares or white trousers, or this white skirt, how I've paired it with, the same one as before, and a pair of heels, or maybe some knee-high black boots, like a sandwich method kind of style. It could honestly pair with anything, and if you don't have a black off the shoulder top in your wardrobe, this is your sign. It's so affordable and I think it's so elegant. Even from the back, you've got the buckle and the belt kind of detail, which just makes it so much more exciting than just kind of a cotton bandeau, which looks a bit more cheap. I think this looks very elegant, expensive. I feel like this outfit itself looks so expensive, even without my necklace or anything. And I think if you just have really elevated basics, it goes so much further than just kind of tacky, really out there clothes. Just find things that look really good on you and look high quality, even if they're not super expensive. I'm all about finding the most effective pieces of clothing. I absolutely love how this fits. I feel like it looks very unique, and the buckle detailing is really nice because it makes it so easy to put on and off. You can undo the buckle, so when I put it on, I could undo this, so it was easy to get over my shoulders, and then it zips up the back so you don't have to worry about stretching the material. But there you have it. That's everything I got in this haul from Cider. I really hope this has given you some good fashion inspo, and I'll link all of the products below, of course, like always. Don't forget to check out my other hauls because I have so many, as well as beauty and makeup tips and tutorials too. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and turn on your post notifications, as well as liking this video. I post YouTube shorts every day, and I love hearing your comments and suggestions, so please comment them below because I'm always here for you guys. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.